This is the new iPad SPR defibrillator. It replaces the iPad SP1, which is a very popular defib, and it is still in production, but the SPR, being the newer model, is now the more popular one. So this is from CU Medical Systems. So slightly upgraded case, slightly nicer looking finish on it. But inside, very familiar device to those who are familiar with the SP1. Couple of differences. Instead of having to switch to change between adult and child mode, they're now using the I button. There's a nice sign on the other side to show you that. Same power button. This is a semi-automatic, so it's got the same shock button there as well. For changing the pads, it's the same as it was with the SP1. You've got a connector here which you just lift out, and then when you turn over onto the back, the pads just slide out of here. They can be removed and disposed of, and new ones just nicely again slot under this cover. Little trick, there's a expiry date on it. If you always make sure that's facing the right way, it means you can easily check it. And then when you turn it over, there's a little cutout just here for the cable to go through, and the connector plugs in. So changing the batteries in these, marginally different to the SP1. You've got this plastic cover now where the pads sit in. This just lifts straight out. There's just 4 little magnets which hold this in place. The pads, again, can just be moved to one side, and you've got the battery compartment as you did before. So with the batteries, it's very obvious which way around it goes in. You slot the back in. There is a little kind of guide to make sure you get it in the right place. Then it just pushes down, and then to remove it, it's exactly the same. Unclip it, take it out, and dispose of it accordingly. Check out our website for all your defib spares, and check out our other videos for how to maintain other makes and models of defibs.